Our company is 136 years old this year, which makes us the oldest furniture manufacturer in the United States. We're very, very proud to be the largest manufacturer in our local area, largest employer of people in our local area. That commitment to generations and generations of our workforce, we take very, very seriously. The company was started by my great-grandfather, John Matthias Bernhardt, who was a timberman in western North Carolina. The Bernhardt way of manufacturing furniture has got to be important what we do in western North Carolina and also what we do with our supply countries. Our partnership with Furniture Land South is so important to us. First of all, it's a partnership of family with family. Jeff and Jason have been such great friends of ours for so long, and we've built this business together. My grandfather sold the Harris family when they first opened in 1969. My father sold them for over 40, 50 years, and I've been blessed to be in a great relationship with them for my tenure, which has been the last 30 years. Why people ultimately choose our product right now is because of product design. We do all our own design in-house, and therefore everything that comes through that lens is the Bernhardt look. Our look is very eclectic, but all the different materials and pieces work very well together. We start in any type of design project working with the palette. So we'll come up with the actual materials and the finish colors well before we actually start drawing pieces of furniture. This is the circlet cocktail table. The original inspiration was the idea about lily pads. Well, this kind of illustrates the roots, the base of it, and the bottom of the table. And then you have the wonderful spires that come up from the bottom of the pond. You use cast aluminum because the patina and texture that you get with the organic pitting of the different material, it's got great depth, texture, and movement, and it just feels more organic. And the consumer can take great pride in owning something like that to show off to their friends and neighbors when they come visit them in their homes.